Wow.
Hello guys, this is me, and today we are doing my favorite fish, Dover sole. Dover sole has two colors. One side is brown and the other side is white. I will show you step by step how to clean it, how to remove the skin, and after this I will show you how to cook it, guys. First step, we need a knife. We cut a little bit the tail and we pull off the skin. At this time, we do exactly the same thing from the other side. Easy peasy. Make a comment, how do you find the sound when I remove the skin? Satisfying, yeah? This Dover sole is a bit big size, so I cut it the head to fit it in my pan. And now we get a knife and we try to remove the fins from both sides, on the left and on the right. If your knife is not very sharp, you can do it with scissors. It's much easier. I remove the fins because later when the fish is already cooked, the bones is coming off easier. This time, guys, I would like to ask you for one like, for one subscribe, and for one comment for the support. And I promise you I will make more like this kind of videos, and I'll show you more tips about cleaning fish and cooking fish. Let's go in my kitchen now. And we're seasoning the fish. I keep it simple, guys. Only salt, black pepper from both sides. I like the pure taste of the fish. We mix it up with flour from both sides again. The flour is gonna make the fish more crispy. I like crispy. And a little bit massage, of course, to relax the fish. We shake it, shake it. And now we get a pan, we put some oil. And we drop the fish inside. I like it to fry it with butter, so we drop some butter inside. It's amazing, guys. Trust me, try it. And we turn the fish on the other side. We fry each side about 4 or 5 minutes. And look at this beautiful color, guys. Once you see this golden color, that is mean the fish is ready. And we take it out from the pan. And now we will start to make the sauce that we're gonna put it on top of the fish later. So I like caper, I put it on the pan. A little bit of lemon, guys, it's amazing. And of course, butter. Butter is gonna make more thick the sauce. And we fry it about for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Actually, guys, this is my second time I'm doing this recipe, so I share it with you. Make a comment if you like it or if you think I'm doing something wrong. And this is our beautiful fish, the Dover sole. And we need a spoon and a fork. That is gonna help to remove the bones on the sides. Slowly, no rush. I know you're gonna say that I waste a lot of meat, but I prefer to remove all the bones than to stuck any bone in my mouth. Safety, guys. We make sure that all bones are off. And this is the most difficult part of the process. We have to make separately the meat from the bones, which is a little bit hard. You have to practice it a lot. For me, it's the second time I'm doing it. I think next time I will do it a little bit better. Don't hate me, guys. And the final part, we put the fish on the plate. It looks so delicious, yummy. And we put on top of the fish the sauce we made earlier with the olive oil, caper and lemon and butter, of course. The taste of the fish is gonna be different level. And we decorate it with a little bit parsley on top and on the side one lemon. And it's the time to try. Wow, the best fish in the world. 9 out of 10 for me, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace and love.
Wow.
See you in my next video.